Do you hear the bird singing? Or maybe talking? Huh. Can you interpret that? That's lovely, right? When last did you pay attention to a bird singing? I believe it's all part of life, all part of nature that we had to maybe pay attention to, right? Yeah, I see the bird. He flew. That's some nice music. You also like it? Alright, so go grab some books, go grab some books, go grab some books. Grab as many as you can. Perfect gift for every occasion. Yes, yes, yes. Go to gococobooks.com. You have an awesome day. Remember, you are amazing.